Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and lose weight through fasting and whole food nutrition. On this channel, you'll find simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is you won't feel overwhelmed or deprived. Meal replacement shakes, protein shakes, green shakes, they are all a convenient way to eat healthy on the go. And also they are a useful weight loss tool. My previous video was about comparing the top 5 vegan meal replacement shakes for weight loss. Today, I want to focus on the top 2 brands, which are Shakeology and Purium. So this video is all about Purium vs Shakeology. So we are going to look in detail at both brands and compare which one works best for weight loss. And also we're going to compare the nutritional values of these 2 top shake brands. I'm going to start with the Purium shakes. Purium carries 3 types of shakes. Let's look at each of these shakes. Number 1, we have the Super Meal LOV, which is the meal replacement shake that I tested in my top 5 meal replacement shakes video. As you saw in the video, the Super Meal LOV tastes better than most of the other vegan meal replacement shake brands. And furthermore, it keeps you full longer. The Super Meal LOV costs a little bit more than $83 for 13 and 20 grams. If you are a preferred customer, contact me if you would like to know how to get the discount. Then we have the Power Shake. I like the Super Meal LOV because it keeps you full for many hours. However, I much prefer the taste of the Power Shake. I like to add it to my smoothies. You can check my anti-inflammatory smoothie video if you would like some inspiration on making great healthy smoothies. This Power Shake also tastes good, just mixed with water or nut milk. I love to use it when I do the fasting mimicking diet because it is filled with superfoods, nutrition, and it has low calorie with 150 calories per serving. One of the benefits that I've experienced with the Power Shake is relief from my allergies. I used to get these sneezing fits and it was really bad. So bad that I would actually have to stay in bed for a whole day and I felt horrible. But since I've been drinking the Power Shake every day, I haven't had any sneezing fit, which is incredible because I had been struggling with that for over 15 years. So if you struggle with allergies, I recommend you look up green superfoods, particularly spirulina. It has been shown to help with allergies. Next, Purium carries the MVP Sports. The MVP Sport Shake is helpful to fuel your workouts, but it can also serve as a meal replacement if you consume the double serving, as you can see on this label. The MVP Sport includes a probiotic blend on top of all the other superfoods. It costs $60 for 675 grams as a preferred customer. Now let's look at the Shakeology. The Shakeology is one of the better known brands out there. There's also all kinds of different flavors that you can choose from. The ingredients are not organic and it is somewhat pricey at $130 for 1,230 grams. However, it does contain an impressive array of superfoods. To answer the question, Purium vs Shakeology, which one works best for weight loss? I would say definitely the Super Meal LOV from Purium. Only because it keeps you much fuller, it is much more satisfying and thick. One serving of the Shakeology didn't do much for me. Even right away after drinking it, I did not feel full and satisfied and I wanted to eat more. Where when I drink a serving of the Super Meal LOV from Purium, I can rarely finish it at one time. I feel too full. So basically I start drinking it, maybe I have half of it, and then I keep sipping on it when I feel hungry again. It is definitely a better option if you want to lose weight without feeling hungry all the time. They both have around the same number of calories. The Super Meal LOV has 190 calories. The Shakeology has 170 calories. Now let's compare the other nutritional aspects of the Shakeology and the Purium shakes. As you can see here, the Shakeology has 4 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, and 16 grams of protein. The other Purium brands are pretty similar, except for the MVP Sport has a lot more protein and less carbs. Also, the Power Shake has a lot less protein. And that's another reason I like the Power Shake during the fasting mimicking diet, because if you look up my fasting mimicking diet videos, which I will link here, you will notice that the fasting mimicking diet is very low protein. And the reason for that is a low protein diet helps support autophagy. Just as a reminder, autophagy is the process by which your body regenerates itself and cleans out the dead cells. So that's why I love about once a month to do a 5-day fasting mimicking diet. It helps me feel satisfied for the rest of the month, lose my cravings, and it gives me more food freedom because I don't feel so constrained with other types of restrictions like a daily intermittent fasting diet, for example. As far as the vitamin and mineral content goes for the Shakeology and the Purium shakes, the vitamin A content is pretty low in the Shakeology. The Power Shake is really high here, as you can see. And I think that's one of the reasons the Power Shake has really helped me with my low energy. I used to feel really tired all the time. But when I started taking the Power Shake, I started feeling a lot more energetic, and I have learned that vitamin A is an essential vitamin to help your cells produce the energy that you need. As far as the other vitamin like vitamin C, calcium, and iron, the Super Meal LOV has the highest level of all the different options, as you can see again on this chart. In this comparison of Shakeology and Purium, I also want to touch on the purity of the ingredients. As I mentioned before, Shakeology is not organic, and there's also a few more points that you need to consider when you make your decision as far as which shake is right for you. Shakeology includes adaptogenic herbs and a probiotic and digestive enzyme blend. Only the Purium MVP Sports includes digestive enzymes. One serving of the Shakeology contains 8 grams of sugar compared to 2 to 3 grams with Purium. So 8 grams is obviously on the higher end of the scale. The Shakeology is costly compared to all of the Purium options. Both the Shakeology and Purium include a wide array of superfoods, vegetables, mushrooms, etc. I do think that the Shakeology is the best tasting option. If taste is super important for you, Shakeology might be a good start. In summary, my opinion is that while Shakeology is a great meal replacement shake, I don't feel like it's worth the full price. I'm always happy to purchase it when I sign up for Beachbody On Demand, because when you sign up for Beachbody On Demand, you get it at a discount that first time. And so I always do that, and I'm always looking forward to having some Shakeology. But otherwise, I definitely think that Purium is superior in all aspects. My favorite is the Power Shake, so if I had to choose only one, I would choose the Power Shake, and actually I purchase the Power Shake every single month. As far as the Super Meal LOV, I love it. I use it when I do the 5-2 intermittent fasting method. It works great because it keeps me full and it helps me stick to the 500 calories that I am allowed. But otherwise, the taste of the Power Shake is pretty awesome. It keeps me energized, and as I said, it healed my allergies pretty much. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you found it useful. If you have any other aspects that you would like to talk about to compare the Purium vs Shakeology, comment below. Let me know, what have you found, what have you discovered about these options? Do you have a favorite? Comment and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great information about superfoods, paleo tips, fasting, anything to help you achieve your health goals.